Want long-lasting smoothness without irritation or bumps? Whether it's your first time or you've waxed for years, this guide helps you. Stay tuned as we show you how to maintain your Brazilian wax. A Brazilian wax removes most or all hair from your intimate area. It leaves your skin smooth, clean and comfortable. There are a few types to choose from. A standard Brazilian leaves a small strip of hair at the front. A full Brazilian removes all hair from the front and back. A Hollywood wax means absolutely no hair at all, completely bare. The process involves warm wax applied by a professional. Hair is pulled from the root, which helps it stay gone longer. It might sting at first, but most people find it worth it. The right preparation makes all the difference. Your hair should be at least a quarter-inch long, like a grain of rice. This helps the wax grip properly and prevents breakage. Exfoliate your skin 24 hours before your appointment. This removes dead skin and reduces the chance of ingrown hairs. Moisturize the day before, not the day of, your wax. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, or painkillers before your appointment. These can make your skin more sensitive and increase pain. After waxing, your skin needs time to heal and settle. Avoid hot showers, workouts, or tight clothing for 24 hours. Apply aloe vera gel or a fragrance-free soothing cream. This helps reduce redness, swelling, and irritation. Keep the area clean, but avoid scrubbing or exfoliating for 48 hours. Once your skin recovers, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. This helps prevent ingrown hairs and keeps your skin looking fresh. For extra protection, use products with salicylic acid or tea tree oil. To stay smooth, book your wax every 4 to 6 weeks. Sticking to a schedule helps catch hairs at the right growth phase. Hair grows in 3 phases, and consistent waxing targets all of them. Avoid shaving in between appointments. Shaving disrupts your hair growth cycle and makes waxing less effective. Instead, keep your skin exfoliated and moisturized for best results. Choosing a good salon is key for a safe and clean wax. Make sure your esthetician is licensed and uses clean tools. Read online reviews and check for proper hygiene practices. Brazilian wax prices vary depending on location and services. In the US, UK, Canada, or Australia, expect to pay $40 to $80. A good wax isn't just about smooth skin, it's about feeling confident. With the right prep and aftercare, your Brazilian wax can last longer. Now you know how to care for your skin before and after each wax. For more body care tips, like this video and subscribe to MTH Health. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and here's to smoother, more confident